Hey everyone, welcome to the Captain Drone YouTube channel. Yes, I am in my Christmas gear because it's almost Christmas, so if you're watching this before Christmas, Merry Christmas. If you're watching it after Christmas, I hope you had a good Christmas. This video is going to be an education for some of you, and for others, you'll know all about this. So in this video, I'm going to show you something that changed my life about 5 years ago, and I'm surprised that the number of people I run into know nothing about this. None of my brothers and sisters are into this. I'm the only one, myself, my wife, and maybe a few of my friends, but no one else is into fast charging. So about 5 years ago, almost all the devices you charge via USB started to become fast charging compliant. So if you have something like a laptop, you plug it in and you charge it via USB on the side for the most part, and you can charge up the laptop really fast. The same is true for a tablet and a cell phone. If it has a USB-C port on it, it's probably fast charging compliant. So what is fast charging? Fast charging is a way of the unit that is providing the power and your device to talk back and forth. So in other words, when I plug this cell phone into the wall or into this device or any of these devices here, it will talk to these devices and say, send me this much power at this many watts. And if the battery in the phone is starting to get too hot, it will then talk back to them and say, whoa, 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 slow it down. I don't need that much power right now. Let me cool off a bit. And then later it will send more. They just keep talking back and forth. And that is why you don't see too many stories on the news of people's houses burning down because they're charging their tablet, their laptop, or their cell phone. Now, the benefit with fast charging is you could charge up any device in about 1/4 the time that you would normally charge it. But if you don't use a fast charger, well, you just charge it in the normal slow time. So why do I have so many of these? And they're all from the same company. They're from this company that I can't pronounce. INIU. INIU? Is that how you pronounce it? And the reason I have so many is because I bought some like 5 years ago, and then I loved them, and then I bought some more, and I bought some more, and I bought some more. And today I charge everything up with these. So for example, when I go to the field with a DJI drone to do a review, I just plug in my fast charger and watch this. Look at how fast I can charge up the battery. So a lot of times I leave my house, I plug this in as I leave, I get in my Jeep, I drive to the field. By the time I'm at the field, one, if not two of these batteries is fully charged because it's a fast charger. In addition, a lot of times I wake up and it's a beautiful day and I say, I've got an hour now, let's go filming. But these cameras, the batteries are dead. So I just go to the field, I plug in one of these units, any one of these into a camera. I usually have 5 or 6 cameras, so I got 5 or 6 of these things. Plug them all in. The cameras are good for like hours upon hours, if not days, because there's tons of battery power in here powering these. The same is true with my professional cameras. When I'm doing professional shooting, sometimes in my YouTube videos, I use the professional cameras. These things will not run on anything less than 65 watts of power. So I have to plug in a unit that can supply 65 watts of power. And this one can all provide 65 watts. Now these fast chargers have turned out to be a godsend when it comes to my iPad, because every time I shoot a video, you guys will comment on the video or you send me emails, and I have thousands upon thousands of videos. So that's a lot of comments that I get every day. So many times during the day, I grab my iPad and I'm responding to all your comments, but this thing will run out of power in no time. So what I do is I connect it to one of these fast chargers and I can go for many hours as well as charge this back up. And the same is true if you have a laptop like a MacBook Pro. These fast chargers will charge up your laptop in no time. There's not many chargers on the market that can do that, but some of these have such a high wattage output that charging up a laptop super quick is nothing for them. And in the winter, when I'm shooting YouTube videos or just going outside in the cold, freezing cold winter, I wear an electric heated vest. Now these vests often will come with a battery unit, but the battery unit they come with is usually pretty poor. It doesn't have a lot of milliamp hours, but these are massive. So I will use some of these to keep this vest nice and hot, keep my body toasty warm. Now what I want to show you in this video is a bit more detail on each of these chargers, but I can't show you all of them because I have too many. So I'm going to show you the most popular ones. And I will tell you right now, you can buy some of these for as low as $19 US. I know it's mind-blowing. Get a $19 portable fast charger? That's insane, but it's true. So watch this, then come back to me. And now I'll show you all the portable battery chargers I use on a daily basis based on battery capacity. Highest battery capacity to lowest battery capacity. First up is the very large B64 with an insane 27,000 milliamp hour capacity and a crazy output power of 140 watts. What I really like about this unit is the display. On the left hand side it shows you which port is being used and the amount of watts being consumed. In the center it shows you the battery capacity remaining, and on the far right it shows you the time remaining that the battery will last if you continue to output the number of watts shown on the far left. The unit comes with 3 output ports. One is at 140 watts for charging laptops. Next you have a 45 watt output for charging most modern day cell phones. And finally a Type A 18 watt output for general purpose charging. When you purchase this unit, you also receive a welcome guide, a USB-C charging cable, and a mesh carry bag. And like most chargers from this brand name, a 3-year warranty is included. According to the specs, if you plug this charger into a 16-inch MacBook Pro, within 30 minutes the MacBook Pro will be charged up to 59%. This portable charger is also acceptable on most major airlines. And if you're wondering, yes, you can use all 3 ports at once. Here I'm showing you the price of this unit as of today on Amazon. Now when I bought this a few months ago, it was at a much lower price because it was on sale. These units are often on sale. Now please note, based on newer battery technologies, this battery is also available in a much smaller size with the same capacity and same output power, but you will pay more for it. Even if I add the discount shown on the screen, it drops the price to $80. Next up is the P63 Mini with a 25,000 milliamp hour capacity and a 100 watt output power. In the box you'll find the user manual and the product support card, a USB-C charging cable, a mesh carry bag that slips over the unit and protects it, leaving the output ports visible and accessible. This battery charger is the latest in battery charger technology. The remaining battery capacity is shown on the front display. The left USB-C port outputs power at 100 watts and is used for charging big items like laptops. In the center is a 45 watt USB-C output, and that's used for charging all modern day cell phones. And on the right hand side is a USB-A output power at 18 watts, and that is for charging any sort of general USB device. Based on new battery technology, this unit is small considering its capacity. The company does state that for its capacity, it is currently the smallest on the market. It can charge your cell phone up to 75% within 30 minutes. Now 25,000 milliamp hours is a lot of capacity, so that means it can charge up your cell phone several times and other items several times as well. And yes, like all portable chargers, you can use all 3 ports at once. And since this is the latest in portable charger technology, it is compatible with all the modern day technology devices. Now this new small size battery is much more expensive than the previous classic size, but right now when it's not on sale it's $66 US. But you can still get the larger physical size of this device at a much lower cost. Next up we have the B63, and this also has a 25,000 milliamp hour capacity and an output power of 100 watts. Inside the box you'll find a welcome guide, user manual, a USB-C charging cable, a mesh bag that fits over the device and gives you access to the charging ports. The front display shows you the remaining battery capacity, and here we have the 3 ports. You can see the left one is USB-C with an output power of 100 watts, very good for charging laptops. The middle USB-C port has an output power of 45 watts, which is perfect for charging all types of cell phones. And the last port is USB Type A at 18 watts, perfect for charging all types of general USB items. The B63 comes with a built-in stand for cell phones. Just lay the charger down flat, place your cell phone in that stand, plug everything in, and your cell phone charges up. If you plug this charger into a laptop, the laptop will charge up to 50% within 30 minutes and normally be 100% within an hour. Like most chargers from this brand name, they are approved on most major airlines. And being a modern day charger, it is compatible with all modern day electronics. One cool feature is you can charge other devices while charging the charger. The current price for the size shown in the video is $53. If you want a smaller size with the same specifications, it will cost you more, but if it's on sale, you could get it at a good deal. Next up we have the B5 with a 20,000 watt capacity and an output power of 22.5 watts. Inside the box you'll receive the user manual and product support card, as well as a USB-C charging cable, a mesh bag that fits over the unit and allows access to the charging ports. The front display shows the remaining battery capacity. As for USB ports, we have a USB Type A port on the top left, which has an output rating of 18 watts, which means it's good for charging and powering most USB general devices. In the center, there's a USB-C port at 22.5 22.5 watts, and on the top right, another USB Type-A port at 18 watts. In the center is an LED light. You can activate the light just by double-clicking the side button. And like many of the chargers I've shown, it's compatible with all the new technologies. And yes, with this charger, all 3 ports can be used at the same time. Having a 20,000 milliamp hour capacity means you can charge and recharge items many times. The classic size of this device, which is the size I showed in the video, is currently only $26. The newer mini size is slightly more at $29. And now we'll take a look at the very slim B6 model, which has a capacity of 10,000 milliamp hours and an output power of 22.5 watts. Items in the box include the product support card and user manual. A USB-C charge cable is provided, as well as a mesh carry pouch that slips over the device and allows you to access the charge ports. The front display lets you know how much battery capacity is remaining. As for output ports, you have a Type-A port at 18 watts, then you have a Type-C port at 22.5 watts, and then you have another Type-A port at 18 watts. In the center is an LED light, which is activated by double-clicking on the side button. This unit also has a cell phone stand. Now, this portable charger is very slim, and for that reason, it's very popular with people taking it with them to charge up their cell phones. Even though it's very slim, it does have a capacity of 10,000 milliamp hours, which means it can charge up various devices more than once. And it's modern, so it's compatible with all new technologies. If you check on Amazon, you'll see that this unit is often on sale for $19. And the last unit I want to show you is the really cool B7 wireless charging unit at 6,000 milliamp hours and a 20 watt output. Inside the box, you'll find the welcome guide, the user manual, and a product support card. A USB-C charging cable is also provided. The unit itself is very small in size. On the bottom, you'll find a button that if you press it, it will show you how much battery capacity is remaining. On the side, you'll find a port that can send out power at 20 watts. On the bottom, you'll find a flip-up stand, perfect for when you're charging your cell phone. To charge any phone wirelessly, simply place it on the device. Some cell phones will magnetically attach to the device. The unit is small enough that it will fit in small places, and it will never overheat and damage your cell phone. Currently, this device can be found on Amazon for $19 US. Alright, so you're back to me, and I have one more to show you. This one was supposed to be in the reviews that I was showing, except my wife had it. She took it to work to charge up her laptop on the bus, so she can use her laptop on the bus and have it fully charged by the time she got to work. So now I have it back, and I want to show you this one up close right now. So as you can see, it has a 65 watt output, which is perfect for most people. And I will tell you the price of this one right now is about $35 US. I'll show you what the ports are. Here you can see the output ports. There's 3 of them, and you have 2 USB-Cs and 1 USB-A, and they all have their wattages written on them. And now I must tell you one very important thing that many people don't realize. People buy these fast chargers, but then they have to charge them up themselves. And what do they plug them in? Well, they don't own a fast charger at home, so how do you charge them fast? Well, you'd have to buy yourself one of these units, or a unit like this. These are actually fast charging units that you plug into your 120 volts or 220 volts wall outlet. They have ports on them that go anywhere from 65 watts to 100 watts, and you just plug in these fast chargers to them and you can charge them up super fast. So in essence, these chargers which plug into your wall are pretty much the same as these ones here, except these ones are portable. You can take them anywhere. So to help everybody out, I'm going to put links to every one of these chargers below this video in the order I showed them. As well, I'm going to put links to these that you plug into the wall. They're not very expensive, and they will charge up all of these. Or just buy these if you don't need portability, and they do the same thing. They're a smart fast charger. But I'll stop there because I could go on for hours. So I just want to say thanks for watching this video. If you have questions, hopefully I didn't confuse anybody, post your questions below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Have a Merry Christmas, and I'll catch you in the new year. Till then, I say bye.